You may not be able to control what happens around you, but you can control how you respond to what's happening around you. Hi, I'm Angel. Thanks for stopping by. I gotta take these off because it's a little bit moist in here in the greenhouse. And yeah, I was just thinking about that. I had some drama come up with the phone company lately. And in the past, I might have felt traumatized by it. But in this case, I just feel grateful that I'm in a time, space that I can have such a problem as problems with the phone company, and mostly just, yeah, grateful that I got it straightened out, that I still have an operational phone, which I am using right now as a camera because life is that abundant. The lemons are still doing well here in the greenhouse. The banana tree is still not making bananas, just like it's been for a few years now. And yeah, I get to be happy or not happy about things depending on how I choose to focus, or what I choose to focus on, right? And how I choose to focus on what I focus on. I really do think that's the point I'm really trying to make, is that even when things get your attention, like my phone ordeal, that you can't really avoid sometimes, you can still choose how to respond to them, either by looking at the worst of it, or by being stressed out or feeling victimized by it, or by seeing as an opportunity to practice being calm, to practice communicating, to practice negotiating, and something to feel grateful over. Like I said, it's a pretty good life when you get to have problems like arguing with the phone company over big bills and things, right? And still having a phone to talk on. So I'm grateful for my ability to navigate potentially challenging situations with calm, with applying my communication skills, and I'm grateful for my ability to still be okay even if I have a big bill. Like, it doesn't actually have to have a negative effect on me. So yeah, that's my green thought from the greenhouse. I'd love it to, if you have anything to add, please put that in the comment section. As always, you can find other ways of connecting with me in the description below. And until next time, I wish you love, lightheartedness, laughter, peaceful conflict resolution. Don't forget to play every day.